gibe gikelo kuomgi nikech inwang'o ka ng'ato ni speaker kamoro to ng'ama odach gimodich go en Gachagua is no issue to us. Gachagua no problem mage UDA marawaye, that is not our problem. The one who can as if that is our problem. Ma anybody mabene nigi a running opinion which is contrary to us would want to be associated with Gachagua. That is not there. The only thing which is clear, that is why I wanted you guys to open up this forum. Mundu ukeli opponents. Ije jomoko kuom jogi kia jogi wan wang'e giwi wa with them. Moko bene tie moyudo waka. They don't know anything. They have not used for this struggle. What do I come with this? This is not why they struggle. This is not why Jaramogi brought other people. They get one more formula. Mane wachako go multi-party biscuit. Kada kan intie time mane koro multi-party biro. Young people kakai manyara gini orengo gi they came back and on it. But Jaramogi no so dinu ku chomo. Moi Ibrahim. Wane makoro wasuti. Wanyalo chomo moi makata kwa peto daluru. You will still carry the mantle and move on. Mane momiyo Jaramogi nowacho nigi no do dwar ng'ama iluongo no Muliro, odwar Sikuku, odwar Mbenge, kuso dwar jogi, muyudogi, to wabiro bet piny. Kae makoro joma riek nodhi bobet piny kama iluongo ni the late Samana advocate, odhi obedo piny, orengo, Gibson Kamau Kuria, ne nitie ng'ama iluongo no Kaminwa, ne nitie ng'ama iluongo ni Pius Nyamora Manendiko Society. So we came up and combined forces. Emakane ni dio beto korojo wa matindo ginovi obedo formed as a steering committee to build a concept manenya locally change in Kenya. Magimano ketonwa ruling this country today, I can tell you this. Then any woman special brand. Emano infiltrate wa through ngamido ngone nyanja. Munyanja omi karanyanja ni mgugupe mano wando serikali in Mombasa. Munyanja ni omi time bo chule gope ni bo woko diko neno Matiba koso diko neno Matiba bo chwako i Matiba bo Matiba ko biro bo neno ka bo kolori airport to gari number 1 to minjo go no wan kama Mombasa road ni gari number 1 minjo go no bamba to watch on let the people decide. That is how we missed the point. For many moments, I don't want we should move with comparison. Gima ODM na kotiba, we were in a hurry. Any ODM na kundu gorekoka, boku nguyo. But what you know now that the duomo gay. Your man close to get duomo. What was in the heart of the duomo? The corporation married the president Ruto. Circumstances located, that is number 1, because they had the country needed. 2, kagi chako wo, ya duong negi wacho kode ang'o. Tama negi weyo, ma one gukoro fulfill as a party. Kapo kwa they dwaro 1, 2, 3 as negotiation. So your Manakacha did not go back to the party. Mae kama Tanzania lawyer wa good days. Tanzania CCM and a party Manodu were adopted by the party very late. So organizationally they became very smart. Because again, even a presidential candidate comes from the ruling class, but through mechanism of the party. One way mechanism of the party, where politicians mumbulo kielo, masete moko kafanya your pain ecology, kwa wadu wake kibinidi ni decision makers. That is where we are going wrong as ODM. We need now to first of all do the listening. Your work with your wife. Your way automatic fellowship. This is wrong. And when we narrow this party, the you can what do I get to the Kagadi? One be Kagadi. One need the aspiration, Manachako Jaramogi, Manachako, Mane Dwarame Kenya, Nyaka breed equality. Mane principle one. Whether the Luo tell it through that process, that is secondary to me. What we wanted as a country, any thing that they can access somo